Scottdale snowstorm. Y'all see it? Okay. This the old one. We just left the new one. Y'all see it? The old gym. Woo, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Slowly but surely. Told y'all, time change, the people change. Yep. Slowly but surely. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yep. Y'all see it? 2025. January the 10th, y'all. Y'all sitting in the house? No, y'all ain't got nothing to do. Go to YouTube. Type in Johnny Roberts 7044. I say again, go to YouTube. Type in Johnny Roberts 7044 on YouTube. And when you do that, hit that subscribe button. You got to make your haters your motivator. No matter what you do in life, it always gonna be some hate. No matter what you do in life, it always gonna be some hate. Slowly but surely, y'all. Yep. If there ain't one thing, it's another one. Just look at that, y'all. They can't ban the snow, man. Look at that. Scottdale snowstorm. Y'all see it. Ain't no way around it. Time changing, people change, y'all. You see it. Yep. Slowly but surely. You ain't got nothing good to say. Keep your mouth shut and keep them crazy thoughts and saying to yourself. Only thing I need for you to do in life, go to YouTube, type in Johnny Roberts 7044 and hit that subscribe button. It'll be official like a referee whistle. Ain't no way around it. Please believe it. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Slowly but surely, y'all. Time changing, people change.